Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a race in the F1 Clash application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the race button. And now you have to set if you want spinners or duels. And for me, this is the only option to choose, and the entry costs money as well. So just click on that, and now they are pairing me up with someone. And here we go. So the race will take place in Japan, and through the team radio, Olivia is the helpful helper. And yes, so the qualifying race is currently on. And now just click on the start race button, and the race is about to start. So here we are. Here are the two racers, and by clicking on these you can slower or make them more quick. So with the green button is the slowest, the yellow is middle, and then the red is the top. So as you can see, the race started. So you can make your racers appear by clicking on them, so you can trace them. And you can also click on the pit stop button to select a tire and to request a tire change. And then you can set if you want service car or no service. So as you can see, it's happening, and you can always cancel a pit stop. So if you want to do that, just click on that. And yeah, so here it goes, and you can do that with the other racer as well. And you can like use this chat function. If you enable it, you can like send emojis and send some texts as well if you want to. Yeah, so there's a pit stop here, some tire change, and then the race continues. And as you can see, with my first driver, with Zoe, the everything is pretty good and working, but with Meg it's not really good. So as you can see, the fastest option with him is not even available. And yeah, so yeah, and that's basically it. So by the end of the race, the winner will be the one who has the best qualities and everything. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.